Hello, Redditors. Ready to take your Reddit experience to the next level? In today's quick guide, we'll explore the art of saving posts to your favorite communities. Whether it's a helpful tip, an inspiring story, or just something you want to revisit later, saving posts is the way to go. So to start, open your Reddit application on your mobile. By opening the application, look for 3 lines in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on them. In the drop-down menu, select the community where you notice something you like and want to save. On a new page, open the post you want to save. In the upper right corner of the screen, click on the 3 dots, and then click Save. To check if the post has been saved, return to the home page and then click on your profile in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on the Save option in the drop-down menu. Voila! You managed to save a post that you liked. And there it is! Saving posts on Reddit is easy. Now go ahead, start curating your collection, and make your Reddit journey even more personalized. If you found this tip useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Redditors. Until next time, happy browsing.